there is a new beginning, the sun is rising. So it's maybe you went to a place where you noticed sunrise and you felt something different. You felt that, when you sit alone, when you go to a place where there is calmness, nature around you, your angels guide you, your thoughts are clear. So you are moving to calmness, you are moving to calm waters. So you were staring at the calm waters where you went. Page of Swords. It's not the time to look at the past now. It's time to heal from the past. Yes, you have learned, you have went through a lot of pain, but that was your learning. It was divine's way of teaching you something really important. Maybe you were stuck in the same cycle, it maybe in the relationship or in the family, or it can be in the job where you always, every time you even changed the job, or every time you gave a second chance to the person, it was the same behavior, or the same pattern was going again and again. So divine wanted you to visit to this place, and wanted you to show how calmness feels like. So that is what divine is teaching you, the universe is teaching you, that alone is not something you need to be scared of. It is where you find your peace, it is where you find ideas, it is where you find your real side of yours. That's where you find what you really want in life. So it's a very beautiful message from the divine universe. Four of Cups. Right now this is what you feel, even when someone is showing you love, or or someone is approaching you. You are being very you have created a boundary around yourself. Yes, you do love the person, you have respect for the person, everything is on its place, but it's your way of allowing yourself to breathe, to heal. And it's okay, if you take 1 month, 4 months, it is definitely going to be worth it. When you heal, when you break the pattern, the kind of a person you become, and you are going to manifest the balance in your life. You're going to also manifest a person who is already emotionally balanced in their own life, and that's what you want, right? See, the wish is coming true. Oh my god, this card was supposed to come